Have you ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude can understand and generate human-like text? The answer lies in something called an LLM. LLM stands for Large Language Model. It's an AI system trained on enormous amounts of text from books, websites, articles, and other sources. Instead of memorizing information, LLMs learn patterns, relationships, grammar, context, and how words are used together. When you ask a question, an LLM predicts the most likely next word, then the next, and the next, creating coherent and useful responses.
LLMs power chatbots, coding assistants, content generation, language translation, customer support, and many other AI applications. Large language models are the foundation of modern generative AI, helping machines understand and communicate in ways that feel remarkably human.